Hey Tech Fam, welcome to another episode of Tech Guide, your one-stop for everything digital. Today we are checking out the brand new WhatsApp status layout and how you can post multiple photos in one status. If you have opened WhatsApp recently and said, wait, what happened to the status tab? Here is a deal. WhatsApp has changed the status layout from horizontal circles to a vertical feed format. Each update now appears in a bigger preview card. You scroll up or down to view status updates. So your own update appears at the top, followed by your contacts. Now, let me show you how to add multiple photos in one status. WhatsApp now lets you add multiple photos in one status in a layout format. Here is how to do it step by step. You first of all go to your WhatsApp status tab and tap My Status or the camera icon. On the gallery screen, long press the first photo, then select up to 6 images. WhatsApp automatically creates a colleague style preview. Use the text, stickers, or emoji tools to personalize your post. Tap the send icon, and there you are, all your images post as one cohesive layout. This is great for event recap, travel photos, and business promos. So what do you think of the new WhatsApp status design? You love it or you hate it? Drop your thoughts in the comment section. And hey, hit like, share, and subscribe to stay ahead with digital trends right here on Tech Guide. See you in our next episode.